So hello everyone, welcome back again. It's a very good news for all the Nabard Grade A aspirants, as after phase 1 you all were eagerly waiting for results, and at the same time you were also waiting for your phase 2 exam date. And yes, the notification is out of your exam date of your Nabard Grade A phase 2 examination, that is Nabard Grade A mains examination. So how much days you are now, what to do, sir, how to prepare in so much of less days, let's discuss that, and let's also try to see what is actually the date. So the notification is out, Nabard is out with its notification, and you could see that in the notification per se, you can see that the date for your phase 2 exam, yes, you are right, you can see here 19 November 2023. And what is the date today? It's 30th October. So overall from 30th October till 19th November, you are almost getting only 20 to 21 days. अब बस 20-21 दिन में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Every person would be thinking that only. So remember that whatever time now you are having for your Nabard phase 2 preparation, that is very, very less. Now the matter or the study preparation, overall your competition is not just about a day, an hour, but mere the competition is for seconds. And why? Because you are getting just 20 to 21 days for your preparation. Now what would be you concentrating if the Nabard phase 2 exam is on 19th November? Really? And if you are preparing for it, if you think that your phase 1 is also cleared very, very easily, then I will recommend you, there are some things which you definitely need to concentrate before now starting your preparation without wasting even seconds of your time. The first thing you should be concentrating is on descriptive answer writing. Is on descriptive answer writing. And this particular descriptive answer writing would be for 2 sections in Nabard phase 2 for your paper 1, that is English descriptive. So English, which includes your essay, letter as well as précis, and for your ARD and ESI subjective descriptive part also. So therefore, I hope that you are also doing ESI and ARD answer writing also. Now this overall answer writing or descriptive answer writing would be total game changer. You are having very less time with you. I know that you are having more than or maybe more than 40 plus chapters for ESI as well as ARD, and to revise those, and along with those revision you have to also cover current affairs also, and along with that English part descriptive answer writing also. We are with very less time. So 19 October is the D date, the notification is out. The other thing which I would like to tell you is that, as you all know, if you really think now you are not having even little bit time for wasting in your throughout preparation for Nabard phase 2. So here's where how Oliveboard can help you. I already told you that in our courses, okay, you could see that Nabard, particularly for Nabard, our crash course for phase 2 is going on. If I go into our crash course, you could automatically see that today we took a very important session of ARD descriptive answer writing, in which we discussed 2-3 questions how to write descriptive answer writing. Okay, so this particular course would be really helpful for you. And yes, the notification is out and exam date time is less. इतने कम time में आपको preparation बहुत ही seriously करना होगा. So best of luck, and now don't waste your time. Let's conquer Nabard Grade A 2023 phase 2.